How are you guys? Once again with you on Chinese lessons. Or is it learning Chinese? Last time we did greetings. Now we want to do general conversation. There's a lot that you can normally speak about or speak on during conversations. You want to explore a few of those words and how you say them in China or in Chinese. To kick us off is the yes or no. Let's start with yes. How do you say yes in Chinese? In China, this is how you say yes.
是
She. Now, that would actually be a pronoun to Anglophones or English-speaking people. She. But in China, it is not a female pronoun, a pronoun for a female gender. It is actually yes. Did you take the car keys? She. That does not mean that she took the car keys. It actually means yes. Let's repeat that. Yes in China.
是
Right. How about saying no? No. How do you say no in China?
不是
So you say she and you say bullshit, but don't say bullshit. She, bullshit. Bullshit means no, I didn't. How then do you say, do you understand? But just before we do that, because we are doing it twice, why don't you repeat no before we go to the next statement?
不是
So, bullshit for no. Do you understand? Do you understand?
你明白了吗？你能听懂吗？你明白吗？你懂吗？
Okay, that's a lot. But we are actually being given 3 different ways of saying, do you understand? 你明白了吗? That's just enough. But if you don't get that, you can go to those other 2. So let's do that again. I urge you just to remember the first part because the others will get you confused.
你明白了吗？你能听懂吗？你明白吗？你懂吗？
That's actually 4 statements there. We only need 1. I don't understand because they've said a little too many things there. I don't understand. How do you say I don't understand in China?
我不明白，我不懂。
Or that. That is, I don't understand. I don't understand. Once again.
我不明白，我不懂。
Now, I understand. I understand. So, how do you say I understand?
我明白了，我懂了。
Yeah, the first part is just enough. 我明白了. That's it. Let's repeat that.
我明白了，我懂了。
Okay. On to more words that you can have in conversations. And let's talk about these words because this is important. Thank you. How do you say thank you? When you're appreciating some good deed, this is what you say.
谢谢。
Oh, yes. 谢谢. You remember when I talked about lawyer and Chinese in the last episode? 谢谢. Okay?
谢谢。
Thank you. How then do you say please like my videos, please subscribe, please go to my channel. So please in Chinese, this is what you say.